This tutorial review will show you how to remove background from photo on iPhone for free without any software. So right now I'll remove this photo background. So first of all, open your browser and type here remove background and open the first website remove.bg. Once you are in this website, click on upload image, tap on photo library, and I'm going to selecting my photo here, choose, and it may take some time to remove the background from your photo. Once done, you will get the preview here. Now to download the photo, you will get here two options. One is download and another is download HD. If you want to download the HD quality, then you have to give a credit to this website. So I'm gonna downloading basic one from here. Tap on download, open in, and select save to files. Tap on save. Now go to your files app, and here's the photo. I just removed the background. I'm gonna tapping on it, and to save the photo to your gallery, tap on the share at the bottom left. Tap on save image. Now go to your photos app, and here you will get the photo. This is how we can remove background from photo on iPhone for free. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe tutorial review. See you in the next video.